That's cool, nigga, I'm about it.
Your bitch want party with Cardi. Cartier body in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame.
Alright guys, welcome to my channel. Why am I alright guys, alright, welcome to my channel. Welcome. So guys, I'm going to make a little introduction about my channel. It's not going to be long. It's going to be only 30 seconds. Okay?
I mean second.
So this channel is about, you know, hair, clothes, everything and anything to bagay basically. So today the review we have on is clap for me. Hey guys, love me hair. What is it? Love me hair, guys. Today I have a review on the Body Wave 24-inch that I pre-pluck already. So I'm gonna show you guys what the hair came with. So the hair came with a flat iron, which 2-in-1 type of thing, okay? And this is the other side, okay? Hold up. But boom, this is the curling side, guys. I hope you can see. And this is like the flat iron side. So hold up one moment. This is the flat iron side, and it came with this little bag. It has a little comb in there. Hold up. The little comb, a little hair scarf. I hope you guys can see it. And one moment. Hold up. Alright, and this little love me, you know, hair clip thing. So that's what it came with. And guess what, guys? What it actually came with, what I was so amazed about. I didn't think it was, I didn't know what it was gonna come with, but it came with this mask for your face, guys. I think that was really nice of them. So hey, stay home, stay safe, guys. Boom. Last but not least, the hair. This is the hair, guys. This is how the hair looks. But because I was playing with it. But anyway, this is the hair. I think it's supposed to be a little bit more, you know, like wavy, but I guess this is the body wave. That's how it look like, and which is really, it's pre-plucked. It's really pre-plucked. That's all I can say. The inside is very nice. It's already like bleach, but you can make, you know, bleach it more, make it adjustable to your hair scalp basically. But the hair is very nice overall. Like, I'm combing through it, no shedding coming down, so that's a good thing. So right now it's like only a 4-star for me, because I don't know, it might be nice right now, but later on I don't know how it's gonna be. I don't know how it's gonna be, guys. So right now it's nice. That's all I can say. It's very nice. So look at the inside. This is how the inside look like, which is like really nice. The pre-pluck side right here, the length is very long, so as you can see, like, excusez-moi. Anyway, guys, so it's very nice overall. Everything is nice. That's all I can say. So this is the review I had on the hair. I'm not gonna make it long, you know. That's all I had to say about the hair. So next time I'm gonna try to install the hair and also make a video to show you guys how it came out. And thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Mwah. Okay, bye.